Greetings and good day, I hope you're doing great. I'm here with the daily analysis of the global gold ounce on May 11th. We are currently examining the weekly time frame. As you can see here, last month, after the price rose to the 50% range of the weekly FVG area, it reacted to it and returned downwards. We are currently
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
examining the daily time frame. Last week, gold, after an initial drop due to inflationary concerns and rising bond yields, returned above the $2,400 level in the second half of the week, along with a weakening dollar and reduced concerns about Middle East tensions, and compensated for some of its previous drops. The latest surveys show that market sentiment has once again shifted in favor of the bullish scenario, such that most analysts consider the continuation of gold's growth likely. In the short term, gold's path will depend on United States inflation data, Federal Reserve interest rate expectations, and geopolitical developments. And as for the resistance range ahead of the price, we can consider the daily FVG area and the $2,400 area, while the $2,250 range will be the most important support area for the price. We are currently examining the 4-hour time frame. Last week, at the beginning of the week, we saw that the price, with the decrease it had, approached the previous bottom range, and after collecting the liquidity of the previous bottom, a powerful upward movement began. The latest published data show that the Central Bank of China added 8 tons of gold to its previous reserves in April, which is considered their largest monthly purchase since December 2022. And this has once again made the Central Bank of China one of the main players in the gold market. This action was taken after the purchase of 5 tons of gold in March, and with this purchase, the Central Bank of China has now been increasing its gold reserves for the 18th consecutive month, bringing the country's total official reserves to a historical record. The upward movement we witnessed in the gold price on Wednesday caused the downward trend to end and initiated an upward movement, and now, on the first trading day of this week, we saw that the price opened with a downward gap following the increase in tensions between Iran and the United States. Initially, the price rose slightly and partially filled this gap, but subsequently we witnessed a further decrease in the gold price. In its recent movement, the price reacted to the 4-hour FVG area. We are currently examining the 1-hour time frame, and given recent events, we will consider the short-term sentiment for gold as bearish for today. Thus, in areas where the price returns to internal liquidity zones during a short-term correction, we can look for entries into sell positions in lower time frames and follow this downward movement to the 1-hour FVG area and the $2,360 price range. Good luck and stay profitable.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.